Good afternoon, guys, and gosh, look at those gorgeous blue December skies. I've rushed up this afternoon because I'm particularly excited about this property. It's going to be called Villa Roselle, a very, very spacious 185 metre build, 4-bed, 2-bath property. And just check out those gorgeous views. It's situated in the desirable hamlet or community of Los Carrascos, but it's on the outskirts and one of only 3 villas, all positioned looking forward at those wonderful views. Now, it's been built and constructed for many, many years, but it's been unoccupied. So it's literally being refurbished and it'll be like a brand new villa as we speak. The painters are in. I don't know if you could see there the condition of the outside walls, the exterior, absolutely spotless. Not a crack, pristine. So running along the whole frontage there and continuing along the entire right hand side of the property, you've got the much sought after arch fronted porch. Now there's porches and there are porches. This one's absolutely huge. As you can see, runs along the entire right hand side of the property and then continues all along the frontage. Sorry, there's a lot of camera glare because the sun is very nicely high in the sky. And you can see double gate access there coming into this large front garden area that's been kind of designated. This will be where you can put up a partition wall, have some parking, and it's where the pool's due to be positioned. Now, that's not included in the price, but it's urban land. An 8x4 could be added for between 12 and 13,500 euros. And there's ample land there at the front to section off a part for, you know, a double parking bay with carport, etc., and screen off the area which will be terraced where the pool will be added. And they're the views that you'll enjoy. Nipping round now quickly to the back, this will be the pedestrian entrance. Now, you saw probably on the double gate and also this one, the gates have yet to come, but they are included in the price and they will be delivered next week and installed, so there'll be a fully operational pedestrian gate and double access gate for vehicles. Nice piece of land here out the back, but probably that's going to be a utility area or something like that, but that's down to the new buyers. And I hope you can see from here the kind of expanse of this wonderful porch. Now, there's ample room to have a section fly screen glaze or another section left open. You know, you could put dining tables out here, etc., etc. Another nice feature, 2 sets of double doors come off this section of the porch. This one on my right goes into the master bedroom. The next one along straight into the 35-metre central lounge. Double gate access this side, and then there's a door access off the porch area there into the huge kitchen diner. And we're going to take a wander onto the inside, but before we do, you know, as I say, the painting has been commenced and that will be finished very shortly, probably over the weekend. All the windows are new, and the exterior doors as well. All the light sockets, plug sockets, everything are newly installed. And the carpenter and the metal workers arrive next week to install all the interior doors. So this set of lovely double doors brings you into a very spacious kitchen dining room. So dining room section here, and then a fantastic double arch out into the kitchen area, which has all been newly retiled. You can see this fantastic neutral tile scheme runs throughout, apart from the bathrooms. So this is from the kitchen, and you can see ample new plug sockets gone in there. Now, the door over there immediately in front of me is the first of the 4 bedrooms, and the one off to the right takes you into the central lounge. So let's pop into the lounge first. Now there's arched access off to the left there, which takes you into a small lobby area hallway, off of which you've got 3 bedrooms. They're the double doors that go out onto the porch. And it's worth noting, you know, this isn't a lounge diner, this is just a lounge because you've got a kitchen diner.